Girls, I did something. I fell into the trap of buying stuff because I was feeling bad for myself and I said that I deserve it. But to be fair, I did buy drugstore like skincare, makeup, and also cheap perfume. So I honestly can't wait to share it with you. So please follow along and see what I bought. I bought some different makeup and I bought some skincare, specifically like Korean skincare, because I've just been seeing so much of it and I really, really, really want to try it. And I also bought, as I said, some cheap perfume. So, a little sneak peek, I found these things, the Medicube and something called April Skin. These are both Korean skincare, so that will be my first thing that I will try out. I have never tried this before. So I'm gonna go shower now and then I will try my new products and I will let you know.